Okay, so some of you have asked me how to rotate text in Paint.net to put it on my meme template. So here it is, the template with Kaguya holding a message. So what you want to do is you want to create a new layer, and then in this new layer, you just add the text you want to put on a message. So I'll just change the font here. Um, just write whatever, traps or gay. And now to rotate the text, you just make sure you're on the layer you created the text in. It can't be the background layer, it's got to be a separate one. And then you just select the text. You go to this move selected pixels tool and you just rotate it like this. And that's pretty much it. And for those of you who are inexperienced with using Paint.net, if you want to save it as its original file extension, which is in this case a JPEG, you need to merge the layer first, because otherwise it'll save as a PDN file, I believe. So you just merge both layers by clicking this button, merge layer down, and now it's just one layer. And now you can just save it as a JPEG. There you go. And you gotta give it a proper file name, of course. And that's pretty much it.